Okay, using the Abba Stand. The Abba Stand requires access to the swing arm pivot, which is in there. So before we can lift it up onto the Abba Stand, we need to take this off, and to get this off, we need to take this off. So let's start with that. Okay, once we've got the cover plate off, there are 3 bolts. One there, which is actually in a pot over there somewhere. One here, and one in here. Once we've got the bolts out, we just lever off the pivots. And there we have the swing arm pivot. So you may or may not have the relay. I'm just going to tuck it up there out of the way. And now we do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so same process on this side. Once we've got the cover plate off, we can remove the bolts for the main cover. So one at the top here, and one here. And then we can just pull out, push stud there, push stud there, and push stud at the bottom. And there we go. There's the swing arm pivot. Now we can get it up onto the Abba Stand. Okay, to get the bike up onto the Abba Stand, we put the left-hand side of the Abba Stand on the left-hand side of the bike. We line it up with the swing arm pivot. We angle it upwards so that it slides in nicely like so. And then we go round to the other side of the bike. We get the right hand side. Holding on to the base, we slide it on, otherwise it will pull through the other side. We line it up with the swing arm pivot and get that on like so. We tighten up the bolt in the base and then we just give this a few turns, 4 or 5, just to take up the slack. Then we go back round to the other side of the bike, and to get the bike up onto the Abba Stand, raise the bike so that the Abba Stand is flush with the floor. Put the side stand up, extend the arm, and then just keeping the handlebars straight, pull forward. And there we are, bike is up on the Abba Stand. Job done.